All right, you've just gotten to Tinkercad.com. Just a quick video here on how you are going to sign in and get started. Click over here on the sign in button, and when you do, you'll have a number of choices. You want to sign in using your Google account, so click on that. That'll take you to this screen here, and you would sign in as you normally would on a Chromebook using your GoTVDSB account information. I'm going to sign in using that, and once you do that, and you may have to enter in your password. It might look a little different than what I've just shown you here, but you should eventually get to this screen here. Now, this is sort of like your landing page. You're going to see any files that you've created in the past are going to show up here. So if this is the first time you've logged in, you're not going to see anything here, but as you continue to make these projects, this is where you're going to be able to get them and continue editing them. Create new design is what you want to click on next. And when you do that, you're going to get to this screen here. All right, you are ready to go. Just a quick heads up. Over here, they give you just some sort of random name. So if you know what you're going to build straight up, I would click on that and change it at the very beginning, just so you don't forget, because you'll end up with these weird names that you've never created because they just automatically generate one for you. So there is some sort of name there. Click on it, change it, and you're ready to go.